Designing a dream kitchen doesn't have to include compromises, not when it comes to powerful, quiet ventilation and beautiful open spaces. Clad completely in stainless steel, the Best Cottura Downdraft is a beautiful complement to today's premium cooking appliances, with gentle curves that gracefully unite with sophisticated angles. Best will redefine the way you think about kitchen ventilation and free you from constraints that will limit your creativity. Most important, poor capture, no lighting, and installation problems are a thing of the past with this exclusive, groundbreaking design. The Best Cottura Downdraft stands at an unsurpassed height of 18 inches. Then our patent-pending Vertex Complete Capture design goes to work. Dual inlet ports on the face of the hood and across the entire arch top draw cooking effluents with a capture capability that rivals the finest chimney hoods. Shadowgraph imaging captures this power in vivid detail. Heat, steam, and smoke are clearly shown being drawn into the front and top inlets. It's the power serious cooks need when things start to heat up in the kitchen. What's more, its compact, flexible design makes it possible to install this downdraft directly next to the cooking appliance for a custom integrated appearance. But here's where it really gets interesting. Only the Best Cottura Downdraft expands your cooking choices by permitting installation with a traditional gas or electric cooktop, behind a freestanding or slide-in range, with drop-in range tops, and even with a built-in oven. Like all Best range hoods, power defines us, but it's the details that refine the experience. The lift mechanism quietly raises and lowers the downdraft, which is concealed below a self-closing cover that leaves your counter unobstructed and clear. A seamless touch control panel with easy-to-understand icons simply wipes clean. Even tall pots and pans on the front burners are illuminated by a brilliant light bar with long-lasting LEDs. Add innovative heat sentry technology that detects excessive heat and adjusts the speed to high automatically, a 10-minute time delay shutoff, and reminder light for filter maintenance, and you have a smart ventilation solution. We all know the kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where we gather and where some of the most important conversations happen. That's why the Best Cottura Downdraft was designed to operate up to 35% more quietly than competing downdrafts. So if you love the joy of cooking and the art of conversation, there's no better way to enjoy both where your line of sight is completely unobstructed. Powerful yet quiet, and in a word, beautiful. With that, welcome the Best Cottura into your home. Go ahead, envision the perfect kitchen. You'll see how Best makes it possible.